question 19, m is inversely proportional to the square of t plus 2. m is inversely proportional, it means k over the square of t plus 2, t plus 2 to the power of 2. m equal k over t plus 2 to the power of 2. We have to find the value of k. To have the value of k, we must have m and t, and it should be given in the problem. m equals 0.64, k is the requirement, t equals 3 plus 2 to the power 2. 3 plus 2 to the power 2 is equal to 25. We will send it by multiplication, then using calculator, 0.64 times 25 equal 16. K equals 16. Now we have a relation, m equals 16 over t plus 2 to the power 2. After the relation, we have a simple and easy question. Find m when t equal 8. Find m when t equal 8. 16 over 8 plus 2 to the power 2. It means 16 over 100. In simplest form, it will be 4 over 25. Thank you.